Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Jira Service Management for AI customer responses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Jira Service Management for AI customer responses, begin by creating an account on Jira Service Management. Visit the Atlassian website and sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Once your account is set up, log in to your Jira Service Management instance. Navigate to your project settings by selecting your project from the dashboard. In the Project Settings menu, locate the API section. Here, you will find options for API tokens. To generate a new token, click on the Create API Token button. Provide a label for your token to identify its purpose. Once you've named your token, click Generate. Your new API token will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy this token immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Next, keep your Jira instance URL handy as you will need it for authentication. Open your preferred development environment or tool for integration. You will need to set up a request to authenticate. Use the following format: combine your Jira URL and the API endpoint for authentication. In your request, include the HTTP method as post. Attach the necessary headers such as content type, with the value application/JSON. For authentication, include your email address and the API token in the request's authorization header. This should be formatted as basic authentication. Encode your email and API token as a base 64 string. As you build your request, include the data payload needed for your AI integration. This could include the type of questions you want the AI to respond to. Once your request is constructed, send it to the Jira API. Monitor the response status. If successful, you will receive a confirmation along with the relevant data. If there are errors, review your request for any mistakes. You are now authenticated and can begin utilizing AI for customer responses in Jira Service Management. Make sure to test your setup thoroughly to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.